Hello, and welcome to Quick and Simple English. I'm Dan, and I'm here to help you speak English with more confidence and joy, step by step, day by day. In this audio episode, I'll be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and easily understand. Many people think they need to move to the UK or America to speak English well, or study for hours every night. But that's not true. You don't need to live in London, and you don't need a native speaker next to you all the time. Perhaps you feel shy, or your life is busy, and you don't know how to start. I understand those feelings completely. What you need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat, that fit into your daily life, and that help you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident using English. That's exactly what Quick and Simple English is all about. Practical strategies you can implement quickly and simply. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every single day, in your real life, wherever you are. Let's start with a very powerful technique called shadowing. Maybe you've heard the word before, maybe you haven't. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple and very effective. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking, like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop. You don't translate in your mind. You don't look at a dictionary. You just copy the sound, like an echo. Try to say the words at the same speed, with the same tone, and the same rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Very good. At first, it might feel a little strange, and you may not understand everything you hear, and that's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it moves, and how it feels in your mouth. If you do this often, even 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small habit with big results. My second tip, and perhaps the most important one, is listen to English every day. Not once a week, not only in class, but every single day. Listening helps you learn new words, hear the real rhythm of English, train your ears to understand faster, and get used to how real people speak, not just textbook English. How can you do this easily? You can listen to podcasts like this one, English music, short videos on YouTube, or English news for learners. You don't need to understand 100% of it. Just let the sounds enter your ears. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, it's still useful. You can listen while you walk, clean, cook, exercise, or rest. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a difference. Make English your background music. Our third, quick and simple tip is a powerful mental exercise. Start thinking in English. This might sound difficult at first because you naturally want to translate from your native language. But translation takes time and slows us down. So, how do we begin? Start with short, simple sentences in your mind. For example, When you wake up, think, "It's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee." When you walk outside, "The sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog." During your day, "I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home." These are small thoughts, but they help your brain connect directly to English, with no translation, no delay. It's like a daily conversation with yourself in English. Here's a super quick and simple tip that provides instant passive learning. Change your phone settings to English. You probably look at your phone many times a day, maybe 50, maybe 100 times. So why not use that time to learn? When you change your phone's language to English, you will see English words every time you open it. You will naturally learn words like settings, airplane mode, brightness, update available, delete, or download. You don't need to actively study these words, you just see them many times, and soon your brain remembers them. It becomes natural, and this is called association, which is very helpful. My final quick and simple tip for today is one of my favorites. Record a 1-minute voice message every day. At the end of your day, open your phone's voice recorder and just talk for 1 minute. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings, or something you learned. For example, "Today was busy. I had a meeting in the morning. I made lunch for my family. In the evening, I watched a short English video." It's okay if you make mistakes. No one else has to hear it. This is just for you. When you listen to yourself, you learn. You hear your pronunciation, you hear your grammar, and you'll start to notice your common mistakes and can fix them next time. This builds confidence, fluency, and self-awareness. Remember, the secret is to turn small daily actions into English practice. Instead of saying good morning in your native language, say good morning. Instead of writing your to-do list in your mother tongue, try it in English. Instead of watching 5 minutes of TV in your own language, watch 5 minutes in English. These small actions build strong habits, and strong habits create confident English speakers. Make English part of your life. Let it be in your phone, your thoughts, and your voice. Let it be part of who you are, not just what you study. When you do this, English will not feel like homework. It will feel like something you live with. And that's when real fluency begins. I hope these quick and simple tips help you take the next step on your English journey. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend, and make sure to subscribe to the Quick and Simple English channel for more tips. See you next time!